Morning. Today is Friday, May 1st. Happy May Day. Here's what we're going to do today. I'm going to talk to you real quickly about your food chain assignment, and then we're going to go over some information for your notes for photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So we'll get started. I'm just going to show you my energy pyramid for my desert animals that are in my desert ecosystem. And you'll remember, just reviewing, a food chain is one single chain from producer all the way through the levels of the energy pyramid to the bacteria and back again. So it could be, this would be an example of a food chain. And notice that I've got your energy, your arrows going from the bacteria and then back down. So I've done that one myself for you. The other thing is I could do something like this, and then the bacteria and back to the producers again. Or if I wanted to, I could jump a level if that's appropriate. So I could go from the grass to the rabbit, skip the third level, go straight to the snake, because the tarantula and the lizard don't eat the rabbit, and then to the hawk, and then back over to the bacteria. Whatever you decide to do, you're going to put it in a food chain. Mrs. Neal was really nice and made this template for you guys. You need to include the sun, because all the energy that we have on Earth originates from the sun. We wouldn't have it unless we had that energy from the sun. So then you'll put your producer, and then the herbivore, whatever eats the producer, and then the other ones from the other levels. Don't forget to include your decomposer, and then make sure that your arrow goes back, circles back to the producer. This is what shows that it is an energy cycle, because it goes in a circle. It just continues on and on and on, okay? Be sure that you include a sun, and be sure that you've got your arrows going in the right direction. All right? The last thing here, Mrs. Neal went ahead and did producer, herbivore, and decomposer, but I need you guys to tell me what this organism is and what this organism is. Is it an omnivore or is it a carnivore? All right? Okay, let me know if you've got any questions. Let's move on. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I took a picture of this because I wanted to show you where you're going to put your information. Once you're finished with the energy pyramid and the food chain for your marine animals, you're going to put them in. I've created a folder for Monday, May 4th already, and just go ahead and turn in your energy pyramid here, your food chain here. You can take a picture if you need to. If you cut it out, just take a screenshot of it, or just take a picture of it and turn that picture in. That's all I need. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so let's move on to photosynthesis and cellular respiration. First of all, you've got your notes, and so take those out, and then I want you to take a look at the second bullet. It says name one organism from your energy pyramid that uses photosynthesis for energy production. So let's go ahead and review photosynthesis. If you remember, photosynthesis is the chemical process that uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make food, and that food is called glucose. It also makes oxygen, but that's not really what we're concerned about here. So basically, this is a way for autotrophs to make their own food. The only organisms that will use photosynthesis are autotrophs. And so when you go back to your energy pyramid, look and see which one of those organisms make their own food. And you guys actually have a couple of them, and so you can go ahead and put both of those here if you'd like. Remember, I want you to use your notes to answer the questions on Tuesday. So if you fill all your notes in right now, you're going to have a great, easy day on Tuesday. All right, so name one organism. You can go ahead and put two of them down if you want, from your energy pyramid that uses photosynthesis for energy production, meaning to make their own food. All right, the second bullet says name one organism from your energy pyramid that uses cellular respiration for energy production. Cellular respiration is actually a really complex chemical process that you guys don't need to know a whole lot about right now. all we're supposed to know in 7th grade is the difference between photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So I'm just going to tell you just the really simple explanation, and that is cellular respiration is a chemical process, and it occurs in every single cell in every single living organism. So this is a human cell. It could be an animal cell. It's an animal cell. This is a plant cell. This would be like a bacteria cell. And then this would be like single-celled organisms. And it's in every single one of your cells that this occurs. So like your bone cells, your muscle cells, your neurons, every single cell that's in your body in any living organism. So snails and cows and like any living organism will go through cellular respiration. Here's what it does. Cellular respiration is when cells convert stored energy into usable energy. So you go into your kitchen, you open up your fridge, you grab an apple, you eat the apple, and 2-3 hours later, you use the energy that your body has stored to do what you need to do. Here's the thing, you guys. Without cellular respiration, there's no way we could even live. Because not only do you need potential energy to be converted to kinetic energy so you can walk around and so you can talk and so you can blink, and if you are watching TV so that you can, change the channel, but you also need energy for your heart to beat, for your brain to function, for your lungs to function, for your kidneys, for all of your muscles to grow and to flex, for your bones to do what they need to do. It's like if you ate but were never able to use the energy, you wouldn't last very long. So the difference between cellular respiration and photosynthesis is photosynthesis, I'm going to go back. Photosynthesis is the process where an organism makes their own food. And cellular respiration is a process where all organisms, every single one, will take the stored energy and convert it to usable energy for kinetic energy. Okay? So now go back to that second bullet and name one organism from your energy pyramid that uses cellular respiration. Let me remind you. It occurs in all living organisms. So you've got you've got quite a few to choose from. You just need to write down one or two. Okay? That's it, you guys. Here's what I want you to do today. I want you to finish your food chain real quick. And if you can turn everything in today, do it. If you need a little bit more time to finish your things, that's fine. They're not due till Monday. Go ahead and submit those into Schoology when you're finished with them. Make sure you fill in the answers for number 2 and 3 in your notes because you're going to be able to use those on Tuesday. And that's it, you guys. Have a great weekend.